Only a short flight away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise where you and your loved one can get away from it all. With a variety of water sports to choose from, you'll never want to leave the ocean. Of course, the nearby attractions are a must-see. These options and activities make this beach a great choice for the next family holiday. You know you could do with a good holiday, so go on and treat yourself to one.